We have dog meat right here.
Sawdust.
Delicious
Yan yan. Take home, eh?
โปรดทราบผู้โดยสารที่ลงทะเบียนผ่านระบบสแกนใบหน้าเรียบร้อยแล้ว
I think I'll just go out like this. Wala na din talaga akong energy para ayusin pa yung buhok ko. Grabe. So this is my outfit. This is the best thing I can put right now. For dinner, we just decided to eat at the restaurant of our hotel, and they also have a live band playing. And they were Filipinos. They were really good and super talented people. So we got plenty of food because we're all starving. I got seafood fried rice. I love fried rice. I also got Thai grilled chicken. It was so good, especially the sauce. And then I also got mango shake. First of the many that I'm gonna have here in Phuket.
Okay. So just after. Whoa. Hitting the bullseyes. Should I be scared? Whoa.
Look at that! There's more? You should be scared.
Getting a SIM card, 400 baht for 1 week. So I found this breakfast place while walking. It's already 11 a.m. but I'm craving breakfast food. So we went here. I got some Mediterranean breakfast. Chocolate pancake. And then we got coffee. We found some heels on sale. It's super nice. We got some pad kapow. Okay, so this is now our third day and our last full day here in Phuket. I think we're gonna go to one of the beach bars that I found on TikTok. It's called Tichuca Pop-Up and then Flamingo Beach Ball. But I still don't know where we're gonna go. We're still gonna decide. That's just what we're gonna do today. Just chill and go to a beach bar, maybe watch the sunset later. I don't think that we're still gonna go out later because we went home last night like 4 a.m. It was so wild. We went to Sugar, and if you know, you know. One thing I love about Thai restaurant is there's a lot of options. It's overwhelming sometimes. And everything is good.
That's where information right there.
Fried rice.
Food elephant.
Later.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Like this. Oh.
Pretty. It's so big bag. Her eyes look like
Yeah, they're very intelligent.
How old?
But they can do everything with it. It's like moves like fingers. That looks like a.
The elephant is pooping and peeing.
Put you in my worst mood. P1 cleaner from your church should. Nelly point to just I hurt you. All that lamps to please you. None of these toys on these two. Made your whole year in a week too. Game bitch, I did go link to. Stop bitch, I did go link to. So I'm taking a centerpiece.
While waiting for our flight to board,